Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Spinosaurus from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our new Spinosaurus from Jurassic World Rebirth, let's begin with the eye. So I want to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then up like this. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve around. I want to make a couple little lines right around here, just for a little bit of detail. Next, I'm going to make a little kind of broken line right above the head. And then I'm going to bring this line down like this. You want to curve in, and we're just going to kind of go up and bring this up and back. Then we're going to bring this line down to here at an angle. Bring this line down and up here. And I'm going to bring this line over to here. I'm going to curve this line here, and I'm just going to do a couple little lines in there for the back of the mouth. Next, we're going to put a bunch of sharp teeth inside the mouth of our Spinosaurus. And we're going to do the same thing here, just a bunch of sharp teeth. Then we're going to do a little dot for the nose. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down here. Next, we're going to bring this line back and then down. And I'll kind of curve that jaw up here. Then I'm going to curve some little lines right around here for the neck. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a broken line. It's going to come up and then down here. Then we're going to work on the neck. We're just going to kind of bring this down. Then let's go ahead and make the arms. I'm going to bring a line down here. Then we're going to bring a line down at an angle. We're going to curve this line down and then bring it here. I'm going to make this line come down at a point, another one come down at a point, and then one more here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then over to here. Next, we're going to make the leg. We're going to bring this line down and we're going to curve this back. Then I want to bring this line down. Bring this line down to a point and then back here. Then another one down to a point and then back here. I'm going to bring this line up and then over to here. And I'm going to curve these lines in. Then I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to kind of, we don't have a lot of room for the tail over here. We don't want to give him a short tail. So we're going to do something a little different. We're just going to kind of like bring this tail up with like a broken line. And then we're going to bring this kind of back here, and we're going to stop right about there. Then we're just going to make a couple little curved lines here. Now we want to do the really big kind of like sail fin on the back. So what we want to do is we're going to start right about here, and we're going to make kind of like a bumpy line that comes up. We're going to make it a little bit almost like a rectangular shape, and we're going to bring this down. We're going to make it get kind of small, then we're going to make it like kind of big again, and then get small. Next, we can bring these long kind of broken lines coming up here. And these will just kind of be some extra little detail on the back here. Now, let's just kind of come in here and add some of the different details. I like to add a few extra lines right around this part of the arm and leg. I like to make a little broken line here. And kind of like a curved line right around here. I'm going to make some little lines right here. And I'm going to curve some lines right around here. Next, I'm going to make some little broken lines here. And then I always like to add these long ones kind of right around the bottom of the tail, around the back. Make some little lines for like the knee and elbows. And then even a couple little lines here just to kind of make a little bit of detail on our dinosaur. Nothing too crazy, just kind of makes it look a little more realistic. And there you go, there is your drawing of the new Spinosaurus from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.